Hi everyone, this is Kenneth from KY Real Estate. So today we're going to be trying out something very different. Where I am standing on is in District 19. This is a freehold Inter Terrace. So follow along because this is the reason why you need to be checking out this video. Because seldom people sell the house when it's in this condition, isn't it? But this is where price is the cheapest, trust me. As we walk along, where we are standing on is the car porch area. Comfortably, 2 cars, you have no issues. As I turn around, walk in front of me would be your grand entrance. So one good thing is that on the left hand side, what they have over here, they will be planning to build a tree which will be part of the entire landscaping for the house. So you can visualize the tree growing from the ground floor all the way to the third floor, which I will show you later on, so follow along. So welcome to the living room area. In terms of the ceiling height, you're looking at 3.5 meters. So as we walk along, you realize that parts and pieces of the house have already been done up, but at this point in time, if there is something that you will want a developer to do to cater to your needs, I would say it's perfect. So in terms of the main door direction, we are facing the southwest, and the plot of land that we are sitting on is 1,822 square feet. Total build up about 6,000 square feet. It comes with a total of 7 bedrooms. And it's not just about this house, but where we are situated is perfect, and I'll share with you along the way. In front of me, you will have your home shelter. Where we are standing on, this is a dry kitchen. Ultimately, there will be an island over here at the back as we go along. On my left hand side will be your powder room, and on the right hand side, the developer has already designed with a guest room, or you call a granny's room. Because nowadays, for new build, it's very hard to find on the ground floor you have at least 1 bedroom. So I would say that they have already taken this into consideration for multi-generational family. Behind me, this would be where your wet kitchen will be. So it will be a long L shape. Like I say, if you don't like it, then now will be the time for you to come down and let the developer know what you want, so that everything will be catered to your needs. But at this point in time, what I can see is that the tiles has already been up already. So what we are looking at is a porcelain tile. The texture of it just looks very luxurious. So I can share with you more. At the back over here, you have your helper's room, as well as your helper's very own WC. So one good thing is that I get to go to the back. I want to share with you something very different. For a lot of landed, we always have to talk about setback, isn't it? But this is different because, let's hit behind and we talk more. Welcome to the back. So I would say this is also one of the selling points. It is only when we have a back lane, and that is where we do not have to take into consideration the setback. And this, notice how wide this back lane is. It is very rare to come about. And most important thing, if you take a look, you follow me along before we go in and see more. This whole area only belongs to us, of course, and our neighbors as well. So we are situated right more towards the corner, very exclusive area. If today you are looking to buying a landed property, a lot of things you must take note. And if you need some help, KY Real Estate landed team is always here for you, right? So we continue. Before I head up, there will be a lift provided for you, and you can cater up to 4 packs, leading you from the first floor all the way to the top floor. So we continue. To be honest, this is a new experience for us, and I hope that this is something new for you guys as well, because it is very rare that we are able to be given special approval, permission to be filming the house in its current condition. So as we walk along, so for the first level of the stairs, it is made of RC. So in case you don't know what is RC, it is reinforced concrete. As we walk along, whatever steps you're seeing, right, it is going to be made of timber, very good quality, or otherwise we known as parquet. So as we go along, so welcome to level 2. Level 2 comes with 1 master bedroom as well as 1 ensuite bedroom. We will start with the one on the right hand side. Let's go. In its current condition, I can already feel how spacious it's gonna be. Check it out. So from the holes, I can already tell that this will be where the socket is, and this will be a designated probably bed frame area. So if the king size bed were to extend all the way until this wall over here, the remaining is all your usable space, right? Your wardrobe spaces. At the same time, some small little details for you. Let's check out the toilet. In terms of the toilet, every toilet comes with its own individual water heater, which is very important. So aside from that, all the tiles has all been done up for you already. And if I take a look at the side over here, it's huge piece. From what I just checked, these are all 600 by 1200 mm. And before we even leave the toilet, I would say the developer is very thoughtful. Look at this. There is already a slope downwards, and from what the developer said, this is to ensure this is wheelchair friendly. So as we continue along, before we even go to the other master bedroom, so basically at the end of the day, down here, there will be a shelter extending out. Okay, so to explore more possibility, it is possible, but you can come down and check out this place for yourself, and we can elaborate more to you. Onto the master bedroom. And in fact, if you ask me, this unit itself, it comes with 2 master bedrooms, and I'll explain to you right now why. As for the stairs railing, it will be made of glass to ensure the kind of natural light coming in, and it just feels more elegant. So welcome to the first master bedroom. There is a lot of stuff, okay? But you take one round and take a look at the walls, then you will know roughly how big it is. So where we are standing on this corner, remember I was telling you that we'll be growing a tree? So can you visualize having a tree right in the middle of your room, and you know, that kind of landscaping? It's just different. People will be so amazed that, hey, wow, you can grow such a tree in your house. So you can try to imagine it yourself. So in front of me would be your bathroom. In your bathroom, likewise, you have your his and hers all allocated, and like I say, each and every one of them come with its own individual water heater tank. And you take a look at the tiles over here. So you can see that the tiles are more or less already up for you already. Let me go over there. In front of me, where we are standing on would be the balcony area. So the good thing about this balcony is it extends further out, so that when we are parking 2 of our cars below, we are able to exit the car because there is a shelter above us. So that's very important, and that's all for this level. As we continue to level 3, so as we are going to level 3, within 2 kilometers there are 7 primary schools. Welcome to level 3. It comes with 2 common bedrooms and 1 ensuite. So first, we check out the common room. Basically, this is what you'll be having. I would say it's quite normal today with such a size. So I would say that this size is just nice. And for the other side, let's check out. Quite similar. Of course, you can already think about where you want to put your bed. Maybe say at this corner, and you can have your wardrobe spaces on the left hand side. Speaking about wardrobe spaces, it will be provided, but the good thing is that if you were to enter and purchase this unit right now, the developer is able to let you design it to your liking. So please remember that. And that is one of the reasons why buying the house in its current condition may be the most favorable to you. As we exit out of both common bedrooms, where we have in front will be the common bathroom. Outside of the common bathroom, there is more spaces over here depending on how you would like to utilize this. For example, additional storage spaces designed to your liking. So let's welcome you to the other ensuite. The fun part is that when we grow the tree on the first floor, it grows all the way up to the second and to the third. So you can visualize just how stunning it's going to be when this is all up. And I hope that I'll be back here with the new owner to be filming the whole place once it's done up for you. On this level, it does not come with a balcony. It's just an ensuite. Of course, it comes with its own toilet, which I will not elaborate much. So now let's head up to level 4. So level 2 and 3, the ceiling height is 3 meters. As for level 4, you are looking at about 3.1 meters. So remember, I'm telling you that we have 2 master bedrooms. The first one is on the 2nd floor, and welcome to level 4. So on level 4, there is a potential for you to have the whole level for the masters, or on the right hand side will be a family area. Let's check out. So this whole area, the developer has designed in such a way that it could be your entertainment room. So look at this corner over here, it's quite deep. So it could be a karaoke, TV, console, whatever you want to put it. There is a balcony at the back. And because of how high we are in terms of the whole level, they have come equipped with your water tank as well as water pump. This is very important because not all developers provide this, but at least why am I showing all of this to you is so that you are rest assured this particular developer pays attention to all the details. So as we head over to the other side, welcome to master bedroom number 2. Why the developer made 2 is because to certain owners, they would like to be staying on the 2nd level, and some might feel that the top floor is hot, but some really love this kind of view, isn't it? So where we are will be the potential 2nd master bedroom, because in terms of the toilet, okay, it also has its own his and hers, and tiles are all generally up. From here, if you can look far enough, where are we situated? Can you see next right in front? So exactly where we are about 600 meters away from next, which is where you will find your Serangoon MRT station. So that's pretty much for today. So basically in District 19, there is a lack of supply in terms of brand new freehold Inter Terrace, and that's why this is something that you might not want to miss, because entering at this point in time, the reason why is because you get to choose everything to your liking. That means that you can potentially save on unnecessary hacking and renovation costs, because those that are out there looking for brand new Inter Terraces, sometimes they may not like the renovation and they have to spend a few $100,000 to do it, and entering at this point in time saves you all that trouble, saves you all that hassle. Last but not least, the price of this unit is going at 6.18 million, but here's the catch. If you can enter in today, we can help you get a better price. Last but not least, I'm Kenneth from KY Real Estate, and I'll see you in the next one.